No idea what to do this year to generate referrals from your database or make your business more predictable and profitable? You're not alone, but you're in the right place. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button and tap the bell so you're the first to know when I release new videos. I'm all about giving you the systems, strategies, and tools to build a referral-based business that's both predictable and profitable. We've used this exact step-by-step system not just to build a database, but to organize it in a way that creates a strong foundation for long-term success. With this system in place, you'll stop guessing where your next lead is coming from and instead start generating consistent business year after year. So whether you're newly licensed, in your first year, and thinking, where do I even start? Or maybe you've been in the business a while and feel like you need to hit the reset button. Or you're just looking to increase your referral leads and take your business to the next level. The answer is the same. Start with your database. In this video, I'll walk you through a clear step-by-step process for building, organizing, and using your database to generate consistent leads and referrals. This is one of those foundational things that's easy to put off, but if you skip it, you'll stay stuck chasing the next deal rather than attracting them. So why does your database even matter? Well, let's be honest. Real estate is a relationship business. It always has been. The agent who builds the deepest, most consistent relationships is the one who creates the best business. That's where your database comes in. Your database isn't just a contact list, it's your business pipeline. It's your referral engine. It's how you create consistency in a business that can otherwise feel like a roller coaster. So, if you want more predictable income, more repeat business, and more referrals, it all starts here. So who belongs in your database? There are two main categories of people who should be in your database. I call them your Mets and your have-not Mets. So let's start with your Mets. These are people you've already met and have permission to stay in touch. That could be past clients, friends and family, neighbors, coworkers from previous jobs, anyone in your phone contacts, email connections, social media friends or followers, and old leads that never panned out. You already know more people than you think. Your goal here is to reconnect, provide value, and stay top of mind. That means regular calls, emails, text, birthday cards, events, social media engagement, the whole package. Now let's talk about have-not Mats. These are people you haven't connected with yet, but need to. You find these people by door knocking, cold calling, hosting open houses, working online leads, asking for referrals, networking or community involvement, church or being involved in your kid's school. The goal is simple. Turn have-not Mets into Mets. Introduce yourself, build trust, and stay in touch until they're ready, or they refer someone who is. Now, how to build and organize your database. How do you build and organize all this? Let's walk through it. Step 1, gather your contacts. Pull from everywhere. Your phone, Gmail, Facebook, Instagram, Excel files, CRM, past clients, heck, even on Taco Bell receipts lying around in your car. If they know your name, add them. Step 2, centralize your data. I recommend starting with a simple Excel spreadsheet. Create columns for first name, last name, phone number, email, home address, spouse's name, kid's name, birthdays, anniversaries. You can always import this later into a CRM, but get everything in one place first. Step 3, categorize your contacts. Once the info's in, tag people based on the relationship. Past client, friend, family, business partner, potential buyer, potential seller, referred partner. That way, when you start reaching out, you can prioritize your most engaged and most likely referrers. Step 4, keep it updated. Your database is a living document. Every time you meet someone new, add them to your list. Every time a birthday or address changes, update it. Every time someone refers you, make a note of it. The more personal and accurate your data is, the more powerful your update becomes. And if you want a free Excel template to help you get started, drop a comment below. Consistency is everything. Here's where most agents drop the ball. They build the database, but then they don't use it. Your database only works when you work it. I recommend setting up a routine. Call 5 to 10 people a day. Send 1 to 2 texts or personal messages. Post value-driven content to social media weekly. Send a monthly email newsletter or update. Host a client appreciation event every quarter. Celebrate birthdays, home anniversaries, and significant life events. Think of your database like a garden. If you don't water it consistently, nothing grows. But if you nurture it, check in, and provide value, it blooms. Understand the stages of communication. Let's talk about how to track and interpret the people in your database. Not all contacts are created equal. Some are just names, others are ready to act. Here's how to break it down. A contact is simply someone you've spoken to. It starts with a conversation. A lead is someone who shows a possible interest. They say something like, "We've been thinking about moving." A prospect is someone who admits a need. They say, "We want to sell in the next few months." A referred prospect is even better. They've been referred to you and already trust you because of that connection. And a validated referral, well, this is database gold. They've either reached out to you directly or were introduced with intent. These are the ones closest to converting. You want to track where people are in the process consistently. More importantly, we need to have a system to move them forward. When connecting and qualifying each individual in your database, you will increase the likelihood of getting introductions by using the magic question to open the door. Here's what I know. Not everyone in your database is going to buy or sell a home in the next 365 days, but I can almost guarantee that every single one of them will cross paths with someone who will. The only question is, when that moment comes, will they think of you? So you want to get comfortable using the magic question dialogue with everyone in your database. It goes a little like this. "John, if you happen to run into someone you care about who needs a real estate agent, would you feel comfortable introducing me to the people you care about?" It's simple. It's non-threatening and it works. I've linked a video in the description where I walk you through exactly what to say so you're never left guessing. All right, here's the deal. I know this isn't the flashiest part of real estate. It's not negotiating contracts or positioning glamorous house tours on Instagram, but this is the work that makes everything else possible. Your database is your business. If you want to build something predictable and profitable, not just in 2025, but for years to come, this is where you start. Gather your contacts, build your spreadsheet, categorize and prioritize, stay consistent, and keep asking the magic question. So if you're ready to stop guessing where your next deal will come from and start building something real, do yourself a favor and take action today. In the description below, you can schedule a book a business review call with me. Also, if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more real estate tips, and drop a comment below if you want a free spreadsheet template or help with organizing your CRM. Thanks for watching, and remember, relationships build results. Start building yours today.